welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Walking in the Air from the Snowman. So we're going to look at 4 different sections which will make up the entire piece. So like in all my videos, I've linked the full chord, lyric, song structure in the description below so that you can piece it all together. So there are a few different variations in how we can play this song, so I'm going to give you a few different ways to make it either slightly more advanced or a bit easier, but each way would still sound good, and you can pick and choose which sections you would like to include. So the intro then starts on a D minor chord. So if we locate where middle C is, which is this pitch here, we're going to start almost 2 octaves below middle C, and you're going to put your left hand on D and A, and then your right hand on the D and the A above that one. And this is how the left hand is going to start, which is actually the intro and part of the verse as well. D, A, D, and then F and A together twice. D, A, D, D, A, D, F and A twice, D, A, D. So there it's going. And then the verse comes in. We're going to have a look at the right hand melody line. A, D, D, C, C, A. A, D, D, C, C, A, F, G. And then the next part of the melody goes G, B flat, A, G, D, F, E, D. Now let's try joining all of that together. So that's the melody line then for the vocals, and if you just wanted to play the vocal melody line, and then you could leave it there. So the left hand then, the first chord is a D minor again. So you could either play it as a D minor triad, which is D, F and A, or if you are able to stretch an octave, you could try playing D, A, D. And then we're going to play them like this. Just so it makes it a bit more straightforward to put it hands together. So you can either play this, or you could play this. And then the next chord goes down to a C. So you're just going down 1 to C, G and C. Or you could play it as a triad like this. C, E and G. The next chord goes to G minor. So how I played it, I played the full triad like this, which is G, B flat, D and G. Or you could play it like this. And then the next chord is a B flat major, which is B flat, D, F and B flat, or you could play it just like this. And then it's back to D again. So let's go through that chord progression again. So we have D minor, then C, G minor, and then B flat major, and then back to D minor again. You play it like you would the intro. So I'm going to put that together slowly so you can see how it fits together. So the right hand comes in first with the A. So here you could either carry on doing this in the left hand, or after you've played the G and you've gone down to the C, you could play the C how we played the intro with D minor, like this. And now it's into the G minor. And then B flat major, and then back to D minor again, and then all of that repeats again. So that is the verses done then. Next we're going to have a look at the solo section. So if you wanted to make this a bit more simple, you could just play single notes like this. C, B flat, C, B flat, A, G, F, E, D, C, B flat, A. Or, if you wanted to make it more advanced, you could play that melody in thirds, which is what I did in the preview at the beginning of the tutorial. You would play A and C together, and then G and B flat together, and then F and A, and then F and A again, E and G, D and F, D and F again, C and E, B flat and D, B flat and D again, A and C, G and B flat, and then it lands on F and A. The left hand to this part is playing an F major, so you could play it like this, which is F, A and C, and then it goes up to D minor again, and then B flat major, and then G minor, which is this one, and then back to the D minor again, just like we play it in the intro. Or if you wanted to make the left hand more advanced, you could play it with the octave on top like this. Now I'm going to put that together slowly so you can see how it fits together. So they both come in at the same time. So that's the solo part done. The next part is like the bridge. The melody line is going C sharp, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, B, G. And then the next part to that goes E flat, F, G, A, B flat, C, A, D, C sharp, A. And the chords with that, first chord is an A7, play A, C sharp, E and G, and play it like this. And the next chord is a D minor chord, and then we have G7, which is G, B, D and F. And then up to C major. And then C minor. Then down to F major. And then all of these chords next are for 2 beats. So we have B flat again. And then I'm going to go down to E7, which is E, G sharp, B and D. And then A major, which is A, C and E. So let's go through that chord progression again. So now I'm going to put that section together slowly as well, so you can see how it fits together. Be into. So the very last section then is the ending, the outro. So I'm going to move my camera a little bit higher for this next bit. So the right hand, we're going to play the string part, and if you can play in octaves, then play in octaves, but if not, just play a single note. So it's going B flat, A, G, and then if you can just leave it there, or you can add an E flat major chord, and it's descending, all the notes are going quickly. Let's try that again. And then the next bit is going G, F, E flat, and then it's going to a C minor chord and doing the same thing again. And then it lands on D's, or if you wanted to make it a full chord, you can add a G and a B in the middle. And then the left hand with that is playing an E flat major, which is E flat, G and B flat, and then it's going down to a C minor. And if you can play the full chord, play with the octave on top. So, and if you can do this quickly as well, going upwards like that. And then it ends on a G. So I'm going to put that together. And again, you could make this as tricky or as simple as you wanted. So that concludes all the sections needed then to play this song. Again, please see the description below for the full chord, song and lyric structure. If this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Bitesize Piano if you haven't already for many more tutorials like these. I look forward to talking with you all in the comments section below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!